Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Gosht Ka Salan. First, prepare your meat by cleaning and cutting 1 kilogram into 2-inch pieces. Next, marinate the meat thoroughly. Combine 1 cup of plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well with the meat and let it rest for at least 30 minutes. This step is crucial for tender and flavorful results. Now, let's build the flavor base for our salan. Heat about 1/2 cup of cooking oil in a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium heat. Add 2 finely sliced onions and sauté them until they become beautifully golden brown. This caramelization adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Then, carefully add the marinated meat to the pot. Cook it for about 10 minutes, stirring often, until the meat changes color and is well seared. To achieve tender, fall-off-the-bone meat, it's time to simmer. Pour in about 2 cups of water, ensuring the meat is mostly submerged. Bring the entire mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot tightly and let it simmer for approximately 1 hour. The exact time may vary, so check for tenderness. This slow cooking process allows the flavors to meld beautifully. We're almost there. For the final touch, stir in 1 teaspoon of fragrant garam masala powder. This spice blend adds a wonderful aroma and depth. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro just before serving. Your delicious Gosht Ka Salan is now ready. Serve it hot with warm naan, fluffy rice, or fresh roti. Enjoy this easy and flavorful homemade meal with your loved ones.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.